Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to export data from Gusto to Excel. Now, do you need to crunch numbers or share payroll data with someone who loves spreadsheet? No problem. Exporting data from Gusto to Excel is simple and flexible, and here's how to do it. Step 1, log into Gusto. Now start by logging into your Gusto account and heading over to the report section that's in the left hand menu. Step 2, choose the report that you want. Now you're going to browse the available reports like payroll summaries, tax filings, benefits and benefits data, or time tracking, and then just click the one that you want to export. Step 3, filter and customize. Now use the inbuilt filter to narrow down your data by date range, employee, department, or pay schedule. This helps you to get exactly what you need without extra fluff. Step 4, click download. Now once your report is set up, you want to click the download button. You will usually have the option to download as a CSV file, which Excel can open seamlessly. Step 5, open in Excel. Now open the file in Excel and you're ready to analyze, sort, chart, or impress your finance team with a colorful pivot table. Exporting to Excel gives you the freedom to manipulate your data any way you like. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.